Okay, you have to start somewhere. So we start on our balcony. It's a summery Friday afternoon, and that means that our neighbors are about to start their lawn tractor again. And then that was it for now again with the silence. But I can still record these videos here. No matter how much noise is made around. No matter if my dog is barking or the neighbors on the other side are continuing the world championship in the use of loud renovation tools. I have a technology that still gives me productive results. It wasn't always that way. When I first started getting clients over the internet, I had to rent my brother-in-law's office, drive 30 kilometers and record videos in a room so overheated that sweat ran down my neck and my face was red as a tomato. These videos can still be found on YouTube today, and that's where I'm going to leave them. After all, they still bring in new customers to this day, because over 95% of all people who buy courses from me have never seen me in their lives. So why do people give me money for what I sell in my courses when today there is virtually every conceivable piece of information for free on the internet? Quite simply, I have something to offer that these people want. In my case, it was about a programming language for automated trading with foreign exchange. This is totally uninteresting for the vast majority of humanity, but quite relevant for my target customer group, and it would be no problem for them to find complicated instructions for this programming language. But I promise in my videos that you can easily trade automatically, and that's exactly what they want. By the way, this theme runs like a thread through all the things that have helped our company in the last 10 years to keep winning new customers, and we're in good company there. The largest fast food chain in the world doesn't have the best burgers, but has simplified the processes for preparing them so that they can produce the exact same burger in every city in just a few minutes. The largest online retailer has simplified ordering and delivery for all of us so that we find the packages on our doorstep the next day, even for goods you used to have to wait weeks for. And the world's largest search engine has made it easy for our kids to access all the information I used to have to search through mountains of books in the public library when I was a teenager. If you can make something easier for customers, it can yield pretty good results. All you have to do is find out what your target customers want and then offer them solutions that make it as easy as possible for them to achieve that goal. And when you combine relevant information with audio, video and text, you can allow potential prospects to pre-qualify themselves. A portion of those people will then take advantage of your product or service, even if your prices are a little higher. You don't need a Hollywood production or a movie studio to do this. Just relevant information, some simple software and a computer. And you still need one particularly important ingredient that only the people you want to attract and keep as pleasant target customers can provide. If you want to learn about this process and experience it for yourself, just click on the appropriate link.